This is the best suggestion I think I've ever had. So I got these vending machines a couple days ago and I ended up filling up one with sweets and it's adorable, and someone suggested that I should use the other one as a keycap vending machine. I was like, this will be so cool if it works, so I just had to try it out. I didn't end up including like the bigger keycaps, I just did the small ones and I put them in, I filled it up and I tested it out and it worked. I have to say, it does get stuck a little bit, but it's so worth it because I'm gonna be able to like pull mystery keycaps and we could do like a full mystery keycap keyboard. How cool would that be? But I am so excited about this. I can't believe it actually worked, and if you like the idea, let me know because I think it could be a fun series to do.